don't stand in front of the rocket.
It's real life physics. That's all you got to tell yourself in your head. This is all real life physics. So, friendly fire. Your mom could hit you if she wanted to, or shoot you. Just dethaw another one of you out of the place.
I cannot, however, push you in a puddle or anything.
Don't get into any water. Yeah, don't even mess with water.
Yeah.
Water's your enemy on
Bad.
this game.
No, we haven't had to throw a laser or. They're waiting. Like 25 seconds before the ship comes down.
I don't know why I keep throwing commandos out when I haven't had to use the first one I came in with.
Seriously, man. I haven't even thrown a laser.
Ooh, there goes one of our rockets. That's cool.
That's 4 of them. We're gonna get, 8 medals just for doing this one mission?
I mean, that's awesome.
And then I'll find another one and we do it again. And then we find another one and do it again, and then we get our dailies done and we all get lots of medals. Yeah, this is all counting, yep. We just gotta exfil. Defend against 5 attacks from the terminus. Thought we did.
Oh, shit.
What does it mean by defend against attacks? This is a defend, right? Yeah, this is a defend.
Mm-hmm.
Who needs the Tesla tower? Which side? Left or right? What's happening? Why are the mortars landing inside now?
Because they're coming in through the gates to the second door.
Are they really? Already?
What do you mean already? We're halfway through.
You know what?
Now the second gate is down.
Can we close this door now?
Coming
Wait for
back.
Heidi.
No, leave it open. Leave it open. I'm not scared of the bugs.
Okay, sir.
You don't think with the turrets we got up now we can't fight in this little pit area without?
As long as you lay down with all that gunnery behind
Look at
us.
this. Ready? Gotcha. There's lots of them around if you guys want to use one.
I know. I threw one down too.
We're our own artillery. Look at that. Mortars are helping soften up the targets. Good practice for Nathan, actually. Don't forget to throw your grenades if you got them, just for fun. Just watch out for if they get too close to you down there, the mortars, remember.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to stay on the left side of the gun.
I'm gonna be honest, this is very strange. Normally there's extreme amounts of bile titans and it's...
Yeah.
Ooh, fire tornadoes.
I mean, I wasn't even planning on trying to do the other 2 missions, but...
6 of 8.
Because this will be a 3-mission job if we do everything.
Mission at 10 minutes remaining.
Take a Tesla. I haven't even seen a bile titan.
Nathan can pick up other people's guns and use them, right?
Yep, anything that's down, yep.
Yeah. That's why we've been throwing them every time extra. That's why I've been throwing mine every extra.
Is there a sniper somewhere?
No, we did not bring one of those.
There's a machine gun down there.
Yeah, we didn't come for sniper work. But the next mission, if you want to try it at this level, we could do something with sniper work.
Yep. 7.
Sending down sentry.
Wait, have we even seen like a charger?
No. So either our stuff has been killing them before they get out, or...
Which is nice.
I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna... It just makes me wonder, like,
Yeah.
you know, should we... Is it a glitch in the game right now? Maybe we
Yeah,
should do the other 2 missions to get maximum medals and samples without having to worry about dying?
Huh?
Maybe.
I mean, the only other... We could try a mission to see. Because we always could just leave the planet. It's not like we have to...
Like 10 more minutes. And then...
Yeah, I agree. It's really odd though.
Yes, this
Yeah,
is
I'm
very
not gonna lie, I feel very, like, it makes me a little queasy to my stomach. Kind of feeling. Because you're right, we should have massive bile titans.
Yeah. Oh shit,
Everybody's
I'm
looking
going.
right to the plane.
Extraction!
Hey, look, we're actually getting to the plane the proper way.
Pelican 1 arriving at coordinates.
We don't normally ever actually get to do this, right? We usually jump over the railing, pray for our
Yeah.
lives.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Making progress.
I'm not
Hustle,
going
hustle,
down
hustle.
an orbital laser.
No, I don't think we need it. No, we don't need it.
Countdown initiated.
All aboard?
Takeoff.
It's weird.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Good
You
job,
sure
team.
that wasn't on like easy?
I'm telling you, that was Helldive.
Victory was never in doubt.
I cranked that trigger up. I thought about going to max, but
Yeah, I just got achievements for it, so.
Did you really?
yep. So now he can select any level all the way up to it.
Nice.
Plus all the
If,
points we'll
teach
get
him
for
about
this.
Stratagems.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
He's done, like he's brand spanking new.
But he should
learn
get
on the
like
fly.
he should be able to get a couple more choices for stratagem and stuff. See, 8
Ooh,
medals.
look at those. Yeah.
This must be a glitch in the game. Watch him. He's gonna rank. Pow.
Ah,
Pow.
level 3.
Look at this. See, look.
Up level 4.
He's,
Look at this. We're gonna have to have a ceremony now on the ship. When we get back. Gotta change that off cadet now.
I'm
Or
a
wait,
death
no.
captain now.
Maybe you should keep it because we still haven't gone back down for the next.
Oh, I know, we still have 2 more missions, so like,
Yeah, we can do that.
keep it in your pants.
Don't let the excitement take over just yet.
Sweet.
Or gear up. It's gonna be a bug.
Yeah, it is.
I'm coming all flame, so
You gotta
allow me
select
to-
the mission. Haha.
Hey,
You ran past it.
Listen, I'm gonna leave, go dye her hair, and come back.
Okay.
all right. So here we
I'll
go.
be back.